like elementary school and shit. And I remember going to the bus stop, all my homeboys, right, had like Jolly Ranchers and shit for candy, you know, like candy and shit. So we like, yo, let me get some of them Jolly Ranchers and shit, you know. So it came to be my turn to give out Jolly Ranchers, but my mom couldn't afford to buy me Jolly Ranchers. So I was giving niggas cough drops and shit. Cough drops and shit for get Jolly Ranchers and shit.
Boy, that's some fucked up nigga shit.
Hey, nigga, shit.
You ate him?
She
boy, this is two cough drops. I'd have been like, man, I ain't get to the school bus today.
Hey.
Cough drops.
I ain't give a fuck, nigga. It was just straight hood shit. Like, shit, I ain't give a fuck, nigga. I got cough drops, nigga. Do you want some? Shit, I got a goddamn cough drop, nigga. I got a cold. Shit, I got a cough drop.